It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 15th of February. I'm Michael Groff. A cold front approaching the area today will result in an increase in wind across the state. Some clouds come in by tonight, widely scattered rain and snow showers over parts of the state. Could we see a little bit of rain here in Phoenix? That's a big question. The main story will be the cooler temperatures that arrive tomorrow. Readings may be 15 to as much as 20 degrees cooler across parts of the state than that which we see today. All right, let's get into it here. Checking out the almanac from yesterday, a rather large diurnal swing in temperatures. 82 degrees the afternoon high. That's well above average. 49 the morning low, and that's exactly where we ought to be. The normals 70 and 49. As we look outside right now here, just after 7 a.m., mostly clear sky in Phoenix, and we are at 50 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 19, relative humidity 29%, the wind from the east at 10 miles per hour, and the barometer is steady. The upper air look shows a trough is digging in here across the western states, moving down into the Great Basin now. Southwesterly flow out ahead of it. The winds will be increasing here today. There just isn't a ton of moisture associated with this feature. It's not moving over the Pacific Ocean, so it's not going to have a lot of punch with it in terms of its rain or snow chances, but a few showers will be possible as this comes through tonight. Here's the watch warning map. Our primary concern will be wind. High wind warnings and wind advisories over much of the southwest. Here in Phoenix, we have an air quality alert issued by the Arizona Department of Environmental Quality, and another concern we'll have today is some patchy blowing dust, but that will mainly be an issue for the open deserts out there on the I-8 and I-10 corridor as you head into western Arizona and southeast California. Elsewhere, red flag warnings over a good portion of the plain states from the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles north and eastward to western Missouri and much of the state of Mississippi. Very dry and windy conditions there, leading to the potential of wildfires. Convective outlook for today. No organized areas of severe weather across the nation. A little thunder possible over parts of Nevada and the southern California coast with our trough coming through. And here's a look at precipitation. This is valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix right around, maybe even just over 1/10 of an inch in spots, although that will not be from the system that comes in here today and tonight, but rather another weather system that's possible by the early part of next week. We'll talk about that and everything else going on with our weather right now as we get to the models. Here we go. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our shortwave trough digging in here across the western states. Southwesterly flow out ahead of it. The pressure gradient tightening up as those height falls are pretty dramatic with this feature. So what it means for us down below all of that at the surface today, sunny sky in Phoenix, high temperatures climbing into the mid, maybe upper 70s, but those winds will be increasing out ahead of this system out of the southwest 10 to 20 miles per hour by this afternoon. Across northern Arizona could see gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour, maybe even a local gust higher than that in some of those favored areas, so be aware of that if you're traveling to northern Arizona. Patchy blowing dust possible, as mentioned, across the southwest Arizona deserts and into southeast California. Then by tonight, okay, here comes the cold front, and as it comes through, widely scattered rain and snow showers over central and northern Arizona. An isolated shower is possible here in Phoenix, mainly after midnight. I would say the window is probably from right around midnight to maybe 6, 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. And then that'll be on by. But even if we were to get rain out of this, it would not amount to much of anything. So we're not expecting, certainly not a washout, and probably most of you don't even see anything enough to measure. And again, winds tonight could gust as high as 30 miles per hour in Phoenix, over 50 across northern Arizona. Lows will mainly be in the 40s. And then tomorrow, a different day as that system comes through. Partly sunny in the morning with a slight chance of showers, then mostly sunny by the afternoon. Some rain and mountain snow over eastern Arizona will continue through the day. And high temperatures tomorrow only in the upper 50s to low 60s. So yes, we could be 15, 18, maybe even as much as 20 degrees cooler tomorrow in some spots. Now let's go to Thursday, and that system starts to move out of here. There is a follow-up little wave that comes through Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night, and might bring an additional shower to far eastern Arizona. But here in Phoenix, we'll start to warm up. Highs back toward the mid and upper 60s for Thursday. Low 70s on Friday with sunny sky. Saturday, sunny, warmer. Highs mid to upper 70s as a brief shortwave ridge comes in here. But then on Sunday, here comes another system descending down the west coast and bringing some rain and mountain snow to the Pacific Northwest and northern California at that time. And so we will start to see some high clouds increase, especially by later in the day on Sunday. And then let's go to Monday, President's Day. The holiday is looking decent here, maybe to start the day, but we will see clouds on the increase as we go through the day on Monday and a chance of showers coming in by the afternoon, although this run of the GFS is actually slowing down the progression of this system, swinging into Southern California and then Southern Nevada by later in the day on Monday. So if this holds out to be true, I think the majority of the day here in Phoenix might actually turn out to be dry with some breezy conditions and clouds on the increase, high temperatures probably still managing to get into the lower middle 70s. All right, but now here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 22nd, and that cold upper trough is now really deepening here out across the western states. Now, this is not taking an over the ocean sort of trajectory. It's mostly moving over land, although if it sticks around as long as the GFS says it will, if it slows down a bit, it might pick up additional Pacific moisture. So we could have a rather unsettled day here, and with very cool temperatures if this verifies. Highs might only be in the upper 50s to mid 60s if this is right, with scattered to numerous showers across the state. So we'll see. Now, we've seen a number of different looks coming from our ensemble guidance, but model trends are looking a little bit wetter and cooler with this system for the early part of next week. Then going out 10 days, this is Thursday the 24th, and that system is way out of here, but a sort of wavy northwesterly flow will be in place, and we could see an additional short wave come on in by the end of next week, perhaps, although it probably wouldn't have much of an impact on our weather. All right, looking at rainfall for the Phoenix area coming off of the European ensemble. This goes out through the 1st of March. The ensemble mean is around 0.4 of an inch. Most of the members try to show some extremely light precipitation with this feature in here tonight, and then more rain as we go out toward the early and middle part of next week. And temperatures off the GFS ensemble, and this is what we typically see this time of year, kind of that roller coaster. Highs well up in the 70s today, much cooler tomorrow, warming up for the weekend, and then another bout of cooler weather in here by the early and middle part of next week. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. I encourage you to check out my streaming station. It's called KMGX. We play a lot of music, have a lot of fun while doing that. It's myself and the one and only Michelle involved in the operation of that entity, so check it out. I leave a link to it in the description and how you can listen via your smart speaker. Thank you guys so much for watching. All of your continued support, it is greatly appreciated. Please be safe out there today and have yourselves a tremendous Tuesday.